So let's unbox this. I already unboxed that and put the strap on. So it comes with a strap in order to put it on. And it comes with the photo camera in here. And the lens included, like that. And it's pretty nice, looks good. And also it comes with an extra lens. That is awesome. So it's original Lumix lens also. So it's a plus charger. It's also original from Panasonic. And it comes with a USB cable, which is also original. Shipping in here to protect that from shortcuts or anything like that. It's original too, I like that. And also it comes with a user manual. I haven't read it yet, I don't know when. So this camera, for the beginners, it's pretty good. So as you can see, so in here, you can open up. So when you push that in here. And also, I forgot to mention, comes with the original battery, which is Panasonic battery. So when you open that up, so you have to slide it in, so that way, I think, let's look, nope, the other way, there we go. So when you push it in, so there's a latch in here, so it's gonna pop up, it's right here, so it's secure right now. There is an SD card place to put right here. So if you want to take the battery out or change it, simply push that latch off and it's going to pop up automatically. You can take it off, put it back on. After that, it's going to latch automatically. So for the memory card, let's see. You can put the memory card like this. So you put them in, and if it's not in the right direction, it's not going to go through. If it's in the right direction, it's going to go through. Click on. It's going to sit in there. So you see that it's not closing because you have to push that to lock it. So this is the lock button to open up. So you can see. That's it. I think that is a pretty good machine, so let's open up and just turn it on. It's pretty good. And also there's another feature I'd like to mention. It's an LCD in here. You can, it's real hard to do with the one hand. Sorry about that. For the SD in here. So LCD screen. You can put it like this, or down, or put them up like that. If you're doing it, just when you want to put it back, just push it, and it's gonna go back there. It's a touch screen. So here. You can see the exactly same thing, whatever you're seeing on the screen. So you can see this. That's a pretty cool camera. And also, I'd like to mention that it's a secret flash, which is in here. So there we go. If you want to get back on, put it back on. Simply push it back. So you can put them in extra flash. In here, if you have we've got one. So basically, I don't have one, so I'm not gonna use it. It's pretty slick and good quality.